Today, we will be taking a look at the best charcoal grills on the market this year. So, if you're interested in finding out the best charcoal grills on Amazon, keep watching this video. And the links to all the charcoal grills mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If this is your first time here, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more videos like this. Let's move down to the list. Number 6, PK Grills Original Grill and Smoker. This grill is modeled after the 1905 design, yet it still looks sleek and modern. The rounded rectangular shape gives you enough space for roasts, racks of ribs, or plenty of burgers, steaks, and sausages on a 300 square inch cooking surface. The shape also makes it great as a smoker, simply by arranging the fuel for slow, indirect cooking. 2 top and 2 bottom vents let you regulate the cooking temperature, and when cooking is done, you simply close the vents to extinguish the coals. Made from cast aluminum, this is lighter in weight than similar steel grills, yet you can leave it outside in any weather without worrying about rust or corrosion. When it's time to move the grill, it's easy to remove the grill from the cart if you want to toss it into a car trunk, or just lift the cart handle and roll the grill across your deck or lawn with 2 sturdy wheels. Number 5, Kingsford Barrel Charcoal Grill. This barrel-style grill gives you plenty of cooking space despite the modest price. You'll have 793 square inches of cooking area on cast iron cooking grates, while the metal side and bottom shelves give you plenty of space for tools, sauces, plates, and more. The top chimney and side vents let you adjust the temperature, airflow, and smoke so you can cook all your favorite recipes, while the integrated thermometer lets you monitor the temperature so you know your adjustments are correct. The charcoal grate is also adjustable, so you can cook closer or further from the direct heat. When cooking is done, the ash pan makes it simple to clean the grill, while the large wheels make it easy to roll the grill into place for cooking or into a storage space when grilling season is over. Number 4, Kingsford Ranchers Steer Series Charcoal Grill and Smoker. When it's time to take your outdoor cooking to the next level, this charcoal grill will have you smoking your own ribs, chicken, and more. With a whopping 1,795 square inches of cooking area, you'll never run out of space for family dinners or parties. The 2-lid design means you can check half of the grill without releasing all the heat, while the smoke lock ensures that you won't lose the flavorful smoke during long, low and slow smoking sessions. The large side box can be used either for wood chips for smoking or as extra cooking space when you're feeding a crowd. Made from heavy gauge steel, this holds heat in during cooking with the integrated thermometer that lets you easily check the temperature throughout the cooking time. The grates are pre-seasoned expanded metal, so you can start cooking right away. The front and side tables, as well as the bottom shelf, are also expanded metal. Large 16-inch wagon-style wheels and an extra-large handle make this easy to move into place, despite the heavyweight construction. Number 3. Weber Go Anywhere Charcoal Grill. Compact and lightweight, this grill is perfect for camping, picnics, and for anyone who doesn't have space for a full-size grill. It has a nickel-plated steel cooking grate that gives you 160 square inches of cooking space, and a glass-reinforced nylon handle that always stays cool while you cook so you can lift the lid without needing a mitt. 2 dampers help you control the heat during cooking. The body of the grill is porcelain enamel-coated steel that resists rust and looks attractive. The plated steel legs keep the grill off the table or ground during cooking, then fold up to hold the lid in place when cooking is done, securing any mess inside while you carry the grill home. It's lightweight enough to carry with one hand and small enough to fit in the trunk of your car. Since it's so light and compact, it's easy to clean. Just wash the grates in the kitchen sink and tip the grill to empty the ashes, or give it a quick wash and scrub with a garden hose. Number 2. Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. Weber has been the name for charcoal grills for generations. For good reason. The shape is ideal for heat circulation, and the 22-inch diameter round grate gives you 363 square inches of cooking space. The grill has a hinge so you can lift a small portion and add coals while cooking, which is great for long, slow cooking sessions over indirect heat. The ash catcher keeps the remains of the burned charcoal contained, so you won't get a shower of ash with every breeze, but it's very easy to empty when cooking is done. The handles are glass-reinforced nylon, and they have heat shields, so the handles won't get overly hot during cooking. Aluminum dampers let you adjust the heat level, and closing the dampers cuts the supply of oxygen to extinguish the coals when cooking is done. This has sturdy wheels so you can roll the grill into place for grilling and into storage when grilling season is done. Plus, great accessories. Weber grills are built in the USA, although component parts may be sourced globally. Number 1. Lodge Cast Iron Sportsman's Grill. As great for travel as it is for backyard cooking, this compact cast iron hibachi-style grill is incredibly durable. The heavy cast iron retains heat, so you'll need less coal, and it will last a lifetime. The small size is perfect for a couple of steaks or burgers for the family. Then it's easy to move into storage again using the attached handle. For heat regulation, this has a draft door. While coals can be accessed via a flip-down door, so can you add coals during cooking. The grill can be adjusted to 2 different heights, so you can grill closer or further from the heat source. This grill comes pre-seasoned, but the grates will become better seasoned and more non-stick with continued use or with additional seasoning. Thanks for watching. You can also join our giveaway and stand a chance to win gadgets like headsets, projectors, and other cool gadgets from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comment below adding the hashtag tech. The winners will be announced on the first of every month in our community feed on YouTube, and we'll also contact winners directly through the comment they left.